G'day everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Now, one of the biggest things to get the most out of Copilot is really trying to change your mindset and think about how you can change the processes that you do every single day. Now, one of those things and one of the pain points that we all come across is trying to find documents that people have shared with you. You know somebody has shared something with you, you just don't know where to find it. So what you can do is jump into Teams, click on Copilot, ask Copilot to find that document that you know somebody shared with you. Copilot will go and find it for you. You can then get a summary and also pull out the key points of that document, format it in a way that makes sense to you or that presents nicely. In this case, we're presenting it as a table, and then you have saved yourself a hell of a lot of time without having to go and search through emails or your OneDrive or sharing links and things like that. You've just got your new assistant go and find that document and also give you a summary and present the key findings.